make sure it's running iOS 11 or later. Hey, it's been a while. How are you? I am fantastic, by the way, because I decided to get myself an iPad Pro, an early birthday present, but I also feel like it's about time. There are certain tasks that I want to accomplish, and I think it's gonna help me. Also, I want to practice and learn how to draw and learn all these other cool things, or messing with virtual reality, you know, just painting my designs, editing photos on this. I did this. This is moi. This is Giggles, if you don't remember. I did that on Photoshop. So I really want to unleash the power of an iPad. I feel like it's gonna help me. A lot of thought went into this. Earlier this was open and I had all these tabs on the iPad. Which one was better? Which one do I need? Should I get the iPad Air versus the Pro? And I just decided for the work that I do and the work that I want to explore, I feel that the iPad Pro is better. I bought this yesterday and I was super excited, and then I was like, well, wait, let me do an unboxing video. Like, why not? So here we are. I have a GoPro up here and a DSLR, and I'm recording audio right here. Why do you want to know? Why not, right? Actually, let me go off. So on my GoPro, you used to be able to control the ISO and the aperture. Can't do that anymore. I apologize in advance if this is grainy during the editing, because that's quite upsetting. They recommended a different app, which I paid for, and it didn't work. That's my little rant, because you buy equipment, and yes, technology comes out every year. I bought my GoPro back in 2016, and it's worked for me phenomenal. Like, that doesn't need to be updated. But when they mess with the app and you lose control over settings like that, which are quite important if you're out on the field. Anyways, okay. So I also bought the Apple Pencil. It's the 2nd generation. Maybe it's too much. Maybe it's too bright. So Apple Pencil, iPad. See, I have a ring light. So we have this right here. It's opening. Oh. How exciting. How amazing, exciting. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, ooh. Ooh. Look at this. Oh my goodness. How fascinating already. Wow. It's space gray, by the way. Here's the back, here's the front. It comes with a manual, designed by Apple in California. And a connector. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so the charging cable. Alright, I need to look at the manual. iPad Pro, Face ID, Control Center. One side, and then this side. Press and hold. It's turning on. Bonjour. Alright, it will go to English. Country, United States. Quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPad to sign in and set up. If your other iPhone or iPad doesn't show options for setting up this iPad, make sure it's running iOS 11 or later. Okay, so I already set up my iPad. Well. What do we have here? This is GIGGLES. Alright, opened it with Face ID. So far it's pretty cool. Now I'm gonna open the Apple Pencil. And here's the Apple Pencil. Alright, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Okay. Great. Static. Let me just put you over here. Oh. There's a little sleeve. Okay. Designed by Apple in California. Okay. Let's see. I'm very confused. Maybe I need to pair it. Let's see, Bluetooth. I don't understand. Well, let's look it up. Thank you again for joining me on this unboxing for my first iPad. I'm super excited. I am looking forward to the apps that I'm going to be using for storyboarding, drawing. I don't know, whatever design I can do, I will learn. So I'll see you on the next video.